I thought this was going to be a simple unboxing video of a battery charger, controller, BMS, whatever chip, circuitry, whatever. But yeah, you can all see the problem here. You can't unbox this because the packaging is defective. So let's try it. From which side should I pull? From this side or this? From either side, if I try to break it, it will just continue along the melted part and won't open the package. So let's see. Yep, that didn't work. This one also didn't work. So yeah, the electronics is trapped inside and I can't do anything about it. Maybe with scissors, yeah. Don't be stupid. So here's the tiny little circuit board, if I can focus on it. Yeah, input and battery. It's hardware 168. That's a revision of something. On the back side, nothing. Yeah, let's see if I can focus on the chip. (4056E DF SJ SU 20. Yeah, so it has one chip, some resistors, capacitors, and what the description said is that this charges the battery at 1 amp. So that's kind of high for any power bank or if it's only one cell. So either you're gonna use this with 2 cells in parallel, or you can adjust the charging current by one of the resistors. It was also mentioned in the description that you have to replace a resistor on the board, and then it will charge slower or faster or whatever. So yeah, why I bought this? You're gonna laugh. I just want the USB port. So I think I'm going to cut this off. Just cut off the circuit board with the USB port, and I'm going to mount it on a smartphone that I only use for filming videos, and its port is broken. So I will just mount this with 2 screws on the outside of the phone, connect the wires, and yeah, only use it for charging or powering the phone. And the rest I think will remain functional because I'm looking at the wiring here, so the negative goes there. Oh yeah, and the input is there. Okay, so these 2 tabs. I mean, these 2 little... I just have to connect the wires here, and it will still be functional. So yeah, not a big problem. I will just cut it here, and yeah. Nice little $1. I guess it was more than $1. $1.20 with free shipping. Nice little lithium-ion battery charger.